Have you ever had a client who thinks he knows everything, doesn't want to pay too much because he knows how much he should pay, and wants to use you and your business as a glorified virtual assistant to execute his plan? The type of client that you want, the type of client that doesn't behave like this is a client who is committed to solving a very big problem in his business and needs you to help him discover what the cause of the problem is and the steps to solve the business problem. Then he needs to agree that you are the best person with the best plan, and he trusts you to solve the problem from A to Z for him in exchange for money. You're not an assistant. You're not there to save him a little bit of time. You're not there because you can answer interview questions correctly and then get a reply via email 4 weeks later with a lowball offer where you can sell your time if you agree to the offer. You're there because you're the one who helped him discover the problem. You're the one who has the best solution, and you're the only one he trusts with delivering the solution that you suggested in the first place. All this while your competition is on their knees begging the client to please do business with them and calling the client sir. So why is the way that I mentioned the only way to do business as a freelancer or agency owner? Because otherwise you'll get screwed over time and time again. Without discovering the cause of the business problems that your client hasn't been able to fix by himself, your value is diminished. Without delivery using your optimized system of giving the client what he needs, not what he thinks he wants, you're just a low-level executor of commands, a virtual assistant. By the way, if you agree so far, click the like button below this video. There's also an argument to be made, as a YouTube commenter mentioned in my previous video, that as a good service provider, you need to be a problem finder, not just a problem solver. He didn't elaborate, but it does fit perfectly into the way we do business, the way I suggest you do business on this channel. So let me expand on that concept. Some of the best clients are those who come to you with the following idea. Let me use an example to explain it. So this is the client speaking. Hey, I know AI is this huge trend right now, but we're not really using it in our business. I've heard that there's a huge amount of automation that's possible with AI. We have lots of data in our business. So as an AI expert, what would you suggest that we do to go along with the newest trend and make more money in our business? All right, so let's break this down. If you think about it, whether you're offering a highly customized solution or run a factory-style high-speed delivery business, you can assist the client in such a situation by being a problem finder. Analyze what the client has, where the issues are, and either have them pay for discovery to figure out what can be solved and how, or if you're an OG closer, as they say, of contracts and sales, come up with a solution on the spot and pitch it. That means you have to be good at sales. If you know your stuff and help the client discover problems and solutions, you're in the right spot to charge big money on sales calls like the one that I just mentioned in an example. It makes you a genius in their eyes, makes the sales process easier, and allows you to have a real business that solves real expensive problems and doesn't just sell cheap virtual assistant hours. Furthermore, good luck to any such lead trying to tell you they'll need to talk to other freelancers at the end of the call instead of buying from you, the only person who understands their problem, the only person who even found the problem to begin with. Now let's chat about the exact steps to take to close leads like this on calls. I have a video about that and a bunch of videos about lead generation as well in the description below. So see you in the next videos. Click the link in the description and in the comments.